Hi there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a presentation using Canva. So firstly, go to elements and then search architecture, and then from here you have to choose this image, and then you have to hold it till the background of the slide. Then you have to place it right there, and then you have to insert a square, and you have to place it like this, and then you have to change its color and transparency to 50. Yeah, so you have done all of this, and now you have to uh, make gradient color. So I have used green and blue color for the gradient. You can adjust the transparency from here, and now you have to add a heading, which is going to be your title. Then you have to adjust it into the middle of your slide. Then you have to insert the slogan text right here. You have to insert both of the text, and then you have to place them in the middle of the slide so that it will look accurate. And you have to increase the size of this title right here, and you have to change its color to white as it looks more beautiful on this gradient right behind the text. Now you have to add a new page, and then you have to insert another heading right here, which is going in which you are gonna write my portfolio. And then you have to decrease the size of this text right here. Now you have to paste the text that you want to insert, and then you have to change this color to black, and then you have to decrease its size. And you can also align it in the middle, and then you have to place it right on the top of the slide. You have to change the color of this word portfolio as it looks more it looks more beautiful. Now you have to again search architecture, and you have to choose this image from the elements option, and then you have to place it right here in the slide. Then choose another rectangle, and you have to adjust it onto the image, and then change its gradient color. Now you have to decrease the transparency. Again, you have to insert another heading right here, and then you have to add it into it your heading, and you have to align it into the middle, and you have to bold it, and then change its color to white. Now again, you have to insert the content text into the slide, and paste it onto this square right here. And then you have to go to color, and then you have to change its color to white. Now you have to go to elements again, and then you have to search our you have to search images, and then you have to place it right here. And then you have to go into the edit photo option on the right corner, and then you have left corner, and then you have to change its effect into the classic, and then you have to place this gradient right next to it. And then you have to go into the elements and search architecture again, and then you have to place this image right here and adjust it according to the shape. And then you have to bring click on position, and then you have to place it, move it to the back, and then you have to select both the shape and the picture of architecture, and then you have to group them. Now I have adjusted both of the three things, and then you have to adjust insert another image right here, and you have to decrease its size. And then you go to edit photo, and then again you have to change its effect into classic. So you're gonna paste some text right here. You have to change its alignment, and then you have to cut out any spaces left in the in the text, and you have to change this color to green. Next, you have to insert another slide, and then you have to insert another picture of this architecture right here, and you have to adjust it into the slide, and you have to make it and you have to decrease its width and increase its height, and then you have to place it into the left bottom corner, and then you have to go to effects, and then you have to click on this classic filter again. Then you have to insert another architecture image, and then you have to crop it from here. You can crop it according to the size you require. So I have cropped it according to my preferences, and I have also increased its height, and then I'm going to insert another rectangle, and I'm going to change its gradient color, and then decrease its transparency rate. Now you have to write architecture again in the elements, and then you have to choose another picture from here, and then you have to place it next to the second picture that you have inserted, and then you have to add a heading, and then you have to change its align, and then you have to change its color to white. That looks perfect. Now what you have to do is select this text, and then you have to change its alignment into the middle, and then you have to enter some text right here. So as a sample text, I'm going to copy the previous text I have written in the previous slide, and now I'm going to paste it right here, and then I'm going to give some spaces between them, and then I'm going to change its color to white. Now you have to insert another heading in the slide, and then you have to change its alignment, and then you have to decrease its size and place it beside this large photo, and then you have to change select only this, and you have select only the second word of your heading, and then you have to change this color to lime green. And as a sample text, as I have told you before, I'm going to paste the same text right here. And then I'm going to decrease their width, and I'm going to decrease this width the space uh, according to the space left here, so that it can be equal to the heading. Now again, I'm going to paste that text right here on the top left corner, and I'm going to change this color to black. Now you have to insert another page of the slide, and then you have to go to the this frame option into the elements, and you have to choose this square frame. In this frame, you can insert images by simply holding them and then placing them onto the top of the frame, and then they will enter this frame, and the frame will become an image, but its shape will be the frame type. So I'm going to place this rectangle, I mean square frames, side by side into a specific pattern that I want, and then I'm going to select all of them, and then I'm going to click on this group option, and then I'm going to place them into the middle of the slide, and then I'm going to uh increase its size. Now I'm going to go back to the my previous slide, and I'm going to uh copy the same text and then paste it into this slide as a heading. And I'm also going to change its color to black as it has been to a white color. So the next step is that you have to search um nature again, and then you can search nature beauty, or you can search like mountains, and it will show you a number of images, and you are simply going to hold them onto these frames, and they will be inserted into this frame. And then you're going to go to edit photo, and then you're going to choose this classic filter for every image again and again. This way you have to go to edit photo. First you have to select each image, and then you have to go to edit photo, and from this filter option you're going to click on this classic filter, and this will give it this filter effect. Then you're going to go to shapes and choose this shape with these corner types, and then it's a circle with several corners, and you're going to change its color. I'm going to give it a filter again. First you have to select it, and then if I have made a brand kit right here, so now I'm going to decrease its transparency, and then I'm going to insert another heading, and I'm going to change its color. So as you can see, the gradient I have used right here, I haven't given you the ff of this number and the hex number of this gradient, so I will insert it into the description right below my video. You can go to my video description, and then you can check the gradient ff number and the hex number from below. So now you're going to insert another text, and it will be your example, and you're going to add your content text that I'm going to paste from these previous slides. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to select the text, and I'm going to align it into the middle. So it has been aligned to the left side. Now you have to select all of these, and you can also group them. Grouping means that you're going to merge them like you do in PowerPoint presentations. So I have aligned them into the middle, and so this was the last step, and now we're gonna insert another slide. Firstly, you can adjust all of this text, and then you have to go to shapes again, and then you're gonna insert this small circle right here below this frame, and then you're gonna go to color, and then you're gonna change its color to lime green, and then you're gonna paste it and paste it again. You have to paste it 3 times, and then you're gonna change its color to blue, and the third circle you're gonna change its color to gray. As you can see, there are several colors into the color option. These are the picture color. The Canva have this feature, which is really significant for the content creators and other stuff. So from this you can choose the you can give the color of the image from the image to the shapes. Now you're gonna insert another slide, and you have to go to the elements, and then you're gonna go to shapes, and you're gonna insert this circle right here. Be sure to align it into the middle. You have to insert another circle, and change its color to lime green, and you're gonna insert another circle next to it, but you have to decrease its size and change its color to gray. This way you're gonna paste them about 6 to 5 times, and then you're gonna change the color of each circle. So the next one is gonna be the last circle, and you're gonna give it the position of top, and then you're gonna change its color, and then you're gonna select all of them. Firstly, you have to adjust all of them, and later you have to uh, select all of them, and then you have to group them. So select all of them and then group them, and then place them. You have to change their transparency rate, and then you have to ungroup them, and then you have to go to transparency and change their transparency rate to 50. You can do it by grouping them as well, but it won't give a really nice color to the shapes, as their transparency will become whiter. So this gives them a transparency rate of the color of the shape. Now merge them all. First, you have to give them positions. You have to move the first one to the front, and the second one to the back, and the first and the so yeah, this is what I have done. Now you have to group all of them and then place them into the middle of the slide, but you have to move them into the bottom. Now you have to place the icons. You can search icons into the element, and then you can also change their color. The one really nice feature in Canva is that you can change the color of the icons, and you can go to this right here color option, and then you can change the color. So I'm gonna change the color of several icons into the white color. I'm going to choose this icons. I'm going to choose about 7 icons, and I'm gonna place them in each of the circle, and then I'm gonna insert some text into these circles, and I'm going to merge all of them. Firstly, we're gonna select all of them, and then we're gonna group them. But be sure to put all of these icons into the middle of the circles, as it will give a more better impression of this PPT slide of this slide. Again, I'm gonna give you a notice that I'm going to put the green and that blue gradient that I have used in this PPT slide into the I'm gonna put that this their no, gradient number and their FF and the hex number into the description, so you can see their color gradient and from the description, and then you can use that gradient into your slides as well. If you have any queries regarding this slide and how to make a slide into Canva, you can ask in the comment section below my video. And if you want any of the hex number for these colors I have used into my slide, you can also ask them into the description, I mean comment section. So I have given a heading as well as some text right here, and I'm gonna move this square shape right here onto the right corner, and then I'm gonna give it a lime color. So I have given it the gradient, but the gradient doesn't look that well. You can also give it the lime color. Now add a new page, and then you have to go to the elements, and then you have to insert as a rectangle, and then you have to make it move right into the bottom of the slide, and then change its color to the gradient I have used. Again, I am gonna give the gradient number into the description of my video. You can check the gradient form right there, and then you can use that gradient into your slide as well. Now you have to search this infographic, or you can also search bar. So these are made into the Canva by different Canva creators, and some are free and some are not free, some are premium. So you have to purchase Canva Pro for the premium stuff, but there are several free stuff in Canva as well. So you can choose these free stuff and you can use them into your PPT slides. And this if you use this free stuff and make PPT and you make templates from them, this won't ask for money from you. All right, so I have added this shape of infographic right there, and I have added a heading right here, and I have done as I have done before into previous slides. I'm gonna give a lime color to the second word of my heading. And from here, I'm gonna add some text into the slide. So I'm gonna group both of these pasted text. I'm gonna paste that same rectangle and I'm gonna change their colors now. So I have given this gradient color to these shapes. Now you have to add another slide, and this is gonna be your last slide. You have to insert the image right here, and then you're gonna insert a rectangle, and you have to adjust it into this slide, and then you're gonna change its color to this gradient, and then you have to decrease its transparency, and then you have to insert this sample text right here, which is a font that Canva creators have made. You can write the thank you in this, as it is the thank you slide. You're gonna increase the size of this text right here, and then you have to write another text, which is thank you for viewing my my slide, I mean my canvas slide. And now what you have to do is, so this is time to give animations to our video, to our slide. So I have given this animation right here. You're gonna go to different pages, and then you're gonna give them this simple page animation, there are several page animations, and you can give animation to this a slide by you can also give animation to each and every shape. So you can use this flip, lift, and simple simple animation. And you can also give animations to the text like book and like typewriter. So I have tagged several animations in this video, as you can see. So this is our infographic slide. I'm gonna select this page and then I'm gonna go to animate option. So this was the second last page, and this is the last page of our slide today. I'm gonna go to the page animation and then I'm gonna give it a simple animation. So guys, here's the final results of our video today.